Hi Wendy, so let me show you how to solve this issue with text and how we can clean it up and make sure that it's not happening on the rest of the toggles here and the rest of these sections. So as you can see, we have standing Pilates for your work day, and we have this bold over here, but it doesn't show bold here. So the first thing to do is to collect the information that you have in here and the titles, and also collect the links. So the three things, right? The title on the top, all this text over here. You don't have to copy the image, okay? Because that one's already in the system, and also get the link from here. So let's do that. And the way to do that, the best way to do that, is to go to a notepad. I have a notepad in my computer. So I can just click on it. I can just dump the information that I need here. So for instance, I have this one, copy, and I'm gonna just dump it there, paste. Okay. The other thing that I'm going to do, I'm gonna grab all the text that is in here. The way that I'll do it, I just open it all in this icon over here. It says full screen, and I'll just grab everything like this. Okay, that's going to get rid of the hyperlinks. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to take it back to my notepad, and I'm going just to put it in there, paste. Okay, so it's going to look a little weird. What this going to do is going to get rid of the links, and this is where I'm going to start adjusting some things that I see that I don't need. And okay, I can go enter, and okay, so the way this needs to look is just the way this text looks over here, meaning that the blocks, when you highlight the block, okay, when you highlight the paragraph, the blue block ends exactly where it starts, and also that block ends where it ends, of course, right? But if you see up here, let me show you something. If I do this all the way up here, you see how that has that blue line over here? That means that there is something there. That means that there is something that is standing between this, and I think that's what was causing the issue. So if I hyperlink the whole thing, we need to get rid of this over here. There might have been some more showing over here. We need to delete that. So the way that we do that, we go up from the place that we think it's okay, and we go up. So we just need to get rid of that. So we're gonna click, okay, and now we can go shift. And now if I highlight it, you're gonna see that that has disappeared. We don't have anything else in there. So that means that this text here, it's clean. Okay. So what we're going to do, we are going to go back. Oh, actually, I'm going to come here, and now I need to grab my link. I go edit. Since it's already highlighted, I'm going to go copy. I'm just going to go in there and copy, or I can go here. And if I want to make sure, I can double click, highlight it, and copy here. Now I go back to my pad. Okay. And I'm going to just put this over here. All right, just paste it, done. So I make sure this is somewhere that that works, right? Sorry, let's see. Okay, there we go. I make sure that this is somewhere where it works. I'm so sorry. I have to keep doing that. I'm very sorry. And I'm not gonna do that again. So I'm just gonna grab it. I'm gonna put it somewhere in somewhere, right? And then I'm going to close this by clicking the full screen. You can open and close that. And now you don't have to delete this because you might need it. So leave it alone, leave it there. So what you're going to do, you're going to go up here to this squares over here. And then you're going to type on the search, you're going to type TAG, which is toggle, TOG. Not TA, TOG, toggle. And you're going to choose this one, the one that has 3 lines and the 3 squares. And you're going to grab it and you're just going to drag it and insert it between the time and what you want to fix. Okay, where is it? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Sorry about that. I might have pushed it down here. Let me see. Nope. Let's see. Where'd she go? Okay, there you go. That was weird. Okay, so by default, it's going to give you 2. You're going to see toggle 1, toggle 2. Just get rid of 1 because you only need 1, right? And so now that we have that, now we can come to our pad, okay? And then we start inserting the information that is missing. So we're going to copy our title. We're just going to put it in there. We're going to paste that. Don't worry how it looks here. I'm going to show you how to fix this. And then we are going to go again to our notepad, and we're going to grab this all the way down to register here. We're going to go copy, and then we're going to insert that here. Okay, we're going to delete that text, and we are going to insert it and paste it as plain text. This is very important. Okay. Where'd you go? Let's do that again. So let's see. Okay, we're gonna go copy, and then there we go. So as you can see, this is very plain, and that's the way we want it right now. And I want to add her picture, so I go down here next to her name, and I go add media, and I think you already know how to do this. Now, something that happened to me, I wasn't sure what was going on, is that this was set to thumbnail 150 by 150. So what it did, it was cutting the picture. Let me show you. I'm going to recreate that problem so you can see. You see how that looks cut, and see how it looks cut is because it's cutting a square. Well, we don't want that. So what we're going to do, we're going to change it, and we're going to make it medium size. Right? We're just gonna make it a medium size, so we can adjust it later. Now we have the whole picture, right? And we can make it smaller. Okay. And we can bring this text up there so it is next to her. And let me see. Bree. I think that's what her name was. Let's see. Bree. Breen. Oh, I'm missing that N there. Okay. We can click like that. We can bring this one. Control Z. And what we're going to do, we're going to use this like that. This one. And okay, it's looking better. Now we want to bold it. Now you can bold it. Now you can highlight it and bold it. You see how it bolds right there? There's more thing there, but there's more things that we need to do this, okay? And then we can go here, register. We can bold that, and we can change the color to the color that we want. As you can see, it's gonna look bolder now. Now we need to change this text, okay? We need to make it a little darker, just like this one. And the way that we're gonna do that, we're not gonna do it here, okay? Oh, by the way, let's just link this. Let's just hyperlink this again, and let's grab it from here. Okay, we're gonna grab the link from there. We're gonna just copy that, and then we're gonna go to insert link. It has to look clean. This has to be clean. If there's anything in there, just get rid of it. So then we're gonna place it. Then we're gonna go click, and that should be hyperlinked already, like this. It shows the hand that is already hyperlinked. Okay, what else do we need? Well, this is not branded, so we need to brand that. And it looks like we have capitals and we have lower cases where everything else is capital. So the way that we fix that is in the style. Now we can go to style, we can go to title, and this is where you can change the background. No, we don't change the background here. I think we can change let's see, Oh yeah, you see how's that blue? We need to change that blue to a dark color, like a black, right? That's the way the other ones are. See? And what we need to do after color is a this color over here, the like pink, hot pink one. And we need to make everything capital. So we need to go to typography here, and we go to transform to uppercase. And now you see that they all are capital here. Okay. So now we're kind of branding it, and we are going to go down to content, which is this that is in here. And you see how it has like a grayish color? Well, we need to change that to a darker color so that it looks better like this. You see, now it's black, and we are good to go. Everything's good. The only thing that we're missing here now, I don't know if you notice, these boxes have a like a shadow behind it, so that we are basically making it different or making it pop from the background. If we don't do that shadow here in the background, then it looks like this. It looks plain. Okay, I'm gonna maybe this will look better once I delete this, because okay. So if we would just leave it like that, we only have this line over here in the bottom, and it doesn't look good. So what we need to do, let's see, we need to go here in the box shadow. That's where we add that shadow. And I think we can bring it a little bit down so that it matches the other ones. Okay, not too much. And now we separated that from the back, and then we can update that. And now let's update. We can go to the page, and you're gonna see two, but I want you to see the comparison. Okay, so standing Pilates for your workday. This is the one that we fixed, and as you can see, now we have bold, right? And let's see, I think we need to bold this one. Let's bold it now so that you can see. Okay, I'm gonna go here, and let's bold this guy. I think we need to bold it and underline it, if I'm not mistaken. There you go. And update, and the website's gonna update right away. So now here we go. There you go. And now you have your hyperlink, and is also bold. All right, the old one looked like this. Okay, so we can get rid of that one now. Okay, so after everything looks good, we can get rid of the old one, which is this one. You just click here, right click, and delete. Okay, and update right away, so you don't see it anymore. Now, once that has been taken care of, you can go to the one that you already fixed, and you can click here on the right click on the icon. You can go copy. Okay, what you're copying is basically the style. Okay, now you go to the one that doesn't look good, the one that's not bold. Let me see, let's click on this guy, let's click on this section here. This is bold, but it doesn't show over there. Bold, but it doesn't show over there. The color doesn't show. So now what you do, after you right click and copy, you can go here, right click, and paste style. See, it already bolded the ones that need to bold it, and now, but we still have a problem with the color. We're gonna fix that right now. So we go over here. We can we can adjust some things manually. Let's see. Yeah, I think like that. Shift. There's a big gap over here. I think maybe if we open it all the way, we are going to be able to see a lot of the gaps. And make sure that we are getting rid of all the gaps. Signa and the duration. like this, and then we can do this. Click. I don't see anything else that is not in place. Let's see. Okay. Then we go back, and as you can see now let's fix the one here in the bottom. Still having a little bit of issue with that. Let's open this, and let's see. Let's grab that one. Okay, awesome. Let's see if that changed. There you go. That changed right there. Okay, so we're good. Now we can update this, and you can continue to do the same thing. You can just grab the one that you like, right? There, you can grab that one, and then you can copy. And then what you do, you click on the one that you Control C. You're gonna click on the one that you want to fix. Let's say that, right? Click on that, and then you style. Okay, and then you go out here. You're going to be able to tell where all the stuff at. For instance, this here. I'm going to get rid of that. Then I don't know what that is. Yeah, there you go. I think everything else looks fine. I think this. Let's see. Okay, Control C. Yeah, I think everything else looks okay. I don't see any spaces. So now we can go back. There you go. If you see that this kind of looks a little weird, then you can just go to the back of that and Control Shift so that it moves down a little bit. And then you have everything the way you want it. And you can update. And then you have your register linked and bold. And we can go to the website to verify it if everything's okay. I think it's going to be this first one. See? Yeah, everything's working. All right. So I guess you will take care of the rest, which is not a lot more, but I help you with some, maybe half of it. And if you want to do the other ones, it'll be super easy. So there you go. I didn't want to make this a long video, but I really hope that this helps you. Thank you, Wendy. If you have any questions, you know you can always call me. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye-bye.